Hi, this is Justin Flugum from Additive Guru, and today we're going to talk about resin printing and what to do if a print fails. Because what will happen is it'll fall into the vat and stay there. The first thing you don't want to do is grab one of these metal spatulas. This will damage your PTFE sheet, your film. You want to get the plastic version. So if you want to scrape off something off of this resin-based container, and it's not working and you can't get it out, the best thing to do is to go in there and scrape it out and just pull it out from that way. If you can't get it that way, dump all the resin out, come back, and then try to take it off. If you can't take it off that way, you have to replace the FEP film. But usually that's good enough just to break it off.